So we're going to talk about normal crying in babies. There is a period of development that we actually found is normal development, and it usually presents around 3 weeks of age and typically will peak by 8 weeks of age. There are a lot of different names for it. You might have heard the witching hour or purple period crying or colic is what we used to say like a while ago. So any of those terms, and they're all referring to this period of normal developmental crying that usually happens during that time. So typically it will occur most commonly around in the evening hours. So maybe 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. is a common time that I'll hear, oh, my baby is just really upset during that time. And, I've done the normal things. I've fed them, I've changed them, made sure they're safe, nothing tight wrapped around their hands or feet or anything like that. And they're just upset and they're hard to calm down. So this is actually a period of normal development. And that helped me a lot as a parent too, to know that this is normal. So just trying to hang with them in this period and help them through it. There are some tools that you can use to help you in that time when baby is upset. So we like to use the S's to help us remember those. So some of the S's that you can do. So 1 stands for suck. So if you have a pacifier, you can give that to baby. That just helps them calm down. Another is to swaddle them up, like we had shown you earlier, how to do that tight swaddle. That just helps them feel safe. And another is to kind of gently swing them and to also place them on their side. So if you kind of have them on their side like this, that can help them feel safe, and it just helps kind of comfort their stomach to be up against yours. And if you're gently swinging them, and then kind of that, even that that sound actually calms baby. It's kind of a natural instinct to do that, to just calm baby with that sound, but it actually helps them because it is very familiar to them, because it's similar to that sound that they hear whenever they're in your womb, that they're hearing that sound of those blood vessels. So it's a very soothing sound to them because it's what they're used to. So another thing that's important to note, if during this time when you're having these crying episodes, it can be really hard as a parent. And one thing that you can do is just, if you feel like you just need a time that you're like, I'm getting upset, I'm getting frustrated about this, it is okay and safe for you to place baby just in a crib in the bassinet, just by themselves, and give yourself some time to calm down with that. If you do have a partner helping you, it can be super helpful to just communicate with them. Hey, I'm feeling overwhelmed. I'm feeling frustrated. I just need a little bit of break, and see if they can kind of clock in and then help with baby so that you can take a little bit of a break. We want to make sure that baby remains safe during these times that they are crying. If you're getting frustrated, the reason we want you to just put them down to be safe is that we want to prevent any danger to baby. So if you get frustrated and you kind of lose your cool and you do shake baby, that can be really harmful for them, both now but also for their future development. So we need to make sure that baby stays safe. So whatever you can do to calm yourself down, to get help from your partner or even a friend, just to give yourself that time to cool off, so that then you can come back to baby and help them and care for them in the way that they need. One thing that helped me a lot as a parent too is remembering that when we are meeting baby's needs and we are helping them when they're crying and feeding them when they're hungry, you are actually creating bonding with that baby, and you are helping them create attachment. And that helps them in this stage of life, but also all throughout their life. So it helped me as a parent to think about, when I am meeting baby's needs, even though I am tired and this is hard, and they are crying again, that I am actually helping them bond with me and create that attachment so that we can have a good relationship through our lives, but also so that they can have that good sense of attachment for other relationships as well.